Cara here, nice of you to join me. This video is going to be another walkthrough video, and I'm showing you from an online workshop that I did probably about a week and a half ago. And this is it's called the Emma album, and the lady that takes these workshops, her name is Clare Charvill, and her website is mycreativespirit.co.uk, and head on over there if you'd like to learn yourself on how to make this album. This was Facebook Live number 6, I believe, so it's the Emma album it's called. So it comes with a little tiny stand, and I've just decorated it. Now these papers, I have to say, I have fallen in love with them. I've loved them that much, I've actually bought another set of them because I'm going to make another memory book with them. Every single one is beautiful, it really is. So this is the paper, so it's a Ciao Bella one, and it's the Sound of Spring. Now I bought this I actually bought this one from Hochanda, this album, this cover, but I think lots of people stock them. But I've had it for a while actually in my stash, and I just didn't know what paper I was going to use to make this album with. And going through my stash, I kind of found it and thought, right, that's the one I'm going to use. I've also filled it out with some Studio Light papers that I had, that I've had again for a very long time, but they just kind of filled in really well with the paper. They kind of match, so I kind of filled them in with that. So for this album I've actually used one full 12 by 12, a A4 as well, and then with my fillers that I've used probably about 5 sheets of 12 by 12 of the fillers. I've still got a few pages left that I'm yet to put in the album, but they're more like the fussy cutting ones that I'm gonna put in a bit later. So let's jump into the album. So I just love this type oil painting type flower that's on this paper. I really can't tell you enough how gorgeous this paper was to work with. So I've done a magnetic closure here, you can hear the snap, that keeps my album closed. So once you open that up, I've just then added, the magnets are under here, and I've just put them on. I've just added some circle punches just in case those magnets in there. So when we open the album up, as you can see, it's a kind of a flip and a flap. Now I didn't do anything on the front here. I think I'd kind of bulked my album out a bit too much, so if you add then photographs to this, you would be getting to the point where it would be so full it wouldn't close, so I had to stop somewhere. So I kind of left that space free. Now as you can see, the papers just speak for themselves. They're just, every single one is just a page turner all the time. They're just beautiful. Can't say enough. So on my first page, I've put in an acetate facing on here. As you can see, it's very bright, and just use my dynamo just to add some sentiments in there. But I've closed this one up with the acetate, so it's like a pocket. So if I can get them out, but I can't get it out now. There we go. So I've just put in one tag in there for photos or journaling, and then it just slots in like so, like that. And then these little pulleys are just circle punches that I've used, and I've added a a photo mat on the top, and then I've also added another pocket here. When I was doing the workshop, I kind of I put my pages together slightly different than what Claire did, and so every mistake is a happy mistake in my world. So I just tended to, I then added just another piece so I could have another pocket in mine there. So that just holds, again, another photo mat. And this one I've added where you can take these out, and you can either put a photograph in there if you like, instead of journaling. So moving on to the back of that page, I've just then added an acetate pocket. So in here as well there's a pocket, so that's the top of the page is a pocket, so you can add extra photo mats in there. So coming on to the next page, again very similar to the first, with it's got a flap here, and again I've added magnetic snaps so that they keep closed. This one, the acetate cover is open, so you can just slot your pictures in the back there. But I just love that picture of the bird. It's just, paper is just so yummy, could eat it. And again, that's there. I didn't want to cover it up because again it's just a beautiful paper. And then this one here is just a filler that I've used from the Studio Light. So closing that one up, this one I've added a flap. So you flap open, and I've added some photo mats there for you to add some photographs on that side. And then here I've just got odd bits that you can add photos on the back there, again with the corner punch that I've used, so that you can add your photographs like so. And then this is here just to part some of the lovely words that come in the papers as well. So closing that one up, we're going to move this one, I'm going to open this one out. So we're going to look at this page now. So this page here, again I've added this acetate cover to keep, so you can interchange all your photographs in, and a paper clip with a circle punch on the top. And then this is just a little journaling spot that's tucked in there. But I've just put a journaling tag in that pocket there, but you can change them out and put your photographs in if you like. So again, this one is also a filler from the Studio Light papers that I had. So let me just put these all back as they were so that I don't lose any. And oh, I didn't, did I? And then this one has got the flap, so this one flaps open, and again I've just got an acetate pocket, and again these are just little parts that come from the paper that I've just kind of cut up and used as some little journal tags. And then turning over to the back of that page, I've just added one pocket in there with some more tags and journal cards there. And then moving over to this page, you see it's a massive album. It's really nice. I really love it. So looking at this page here, again the flap, and I've added the magnets for this as well. And again the acetate cover with a journaling spot, but again you can put your photographs in there. Again some of the Dynamo, the embossing labeler, I just love them, but I've got, this is gold tape, so I just thought it went really well. So lifting that up, I've got another pocket in here, so pocket in there. And this is like a little tuck there that you can put different things in. Again, more space up here, and another tag photo mount there. So I don't think we looked at this page, did we? So this is the back of the first page, and again, yes we did. Yes we did. I was running away with myself then. So looking at the back of that page there, again I've just put in a little pocket tuck in that one there. As you can see, I was running out of some of the papers, so I'm using all my scraps up, which you know you should use. It doesn't have to be a full sheet of paper that you use on one page. You can use your odd scraps to put on as well. So that's that page. So moving on to this page here, just a simple acetate pocket with a little tag in there. And I just love the paper because it's so different. I mean, this is all from the same collection. So this is all from the Ciao Bella, the Sound of Spring, and I just love the vibrancy of it. It's just beautiful. So again, moving on to the back of that page, again more magnetic closures, your acetate pocket, more tags and photo mounts, more photo mounts and journaling spots. And then I've added a little tuck spot here, so you can add pictures and things in there. So moving on to this page. This one I've left blank. Again, you can see I've used, I've actually paper pieced this piece, but I've kind of pieced it together, but you know, left it because obviously I think I had only a short amount. So again, I've added this actually. Now this is a die, and it comes from Cool Cats Crafts, and it's their photo mount die. It's brilliant, it really is. I love it. It's so good. So this was my first try with it, so yeah, I'm really pleased with it. Again, we've got another pocket here, so another pocket in there, and then your photo mount is up there like so. So then moving on to the back of that page, and I've just added another small pocket there with a photo mount on there. And then this page here, this is then the back of the book. I quite like this idea, that I made this idea up. I did the belly band for one of the pages. This is on magnets, so you can pull this off. So this comes off, and there's my magnets there. So the magnets just hold this in place, and then hold all your extra photo mounts and journaling spaces all together, and tags. I quite like that idea actually. I think I'm going to use that in a few more of my books. If you like the look of this album, then please go and sign up for Claire's online workshop. It is a Facebook Live, although it was live when we did it, so but you can still join the class and do the albums. Well, thanks again for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little walkthrough as much as I enjoyed making this album. If you're not a subscriber already and you would like to, please hit subscribe, and if you would hit the notification bell as well. That just means every time I upload a video you will get a notification into your inbox to say I've uploaded, so you would be one of the first people in the know when I upload. Come and join me on Facebook or Instagram. I'm on there quite regularly. I will put the links down below, but they will come across the screen as well. So as I say, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.